got my Kool-Aid pickle. I finally got my Kool-Aid pickle and I'm so excited. Just a nice juicy fermentation. Yeah. You haters of pickle things, find the walls right here. Hello. Where are we? We're at Hunky's, which is a good restaurant. Hunky's, not the other one. It's actually called Hunky's. Everybody else was saying it wrong. And I'm gonna get a vegan burger. A vegan burger. And what's in it? Beans. What are you getting, Niall? Okay. We got different ones. This is another place you can go for like good food. This one is the best. Right now I'm watching Gilmore Girls and I'm on the episode where Rory, they finally go to Yale, and so I'm excited to see it. It's such a cute show. Right now we're in the comic book store and I'm getting some comics. I'm getting this one I've never seen before, 1602. And this one I've never seen before, and it's a collection, so we'll see. And they're half off, so let's hope it equals $20. Okay guys, I am back, and me, my sister, and my cousin did end up getting, all three of us ended up getting something from the bookstore, the comic shop, and I got a lot of stuff. It's like a whole 2 sets. The first batch is this 1602 Marvel set. I asked the shopkeeper what it was because I did not know about it. I had never heard of it, but he said it's a really good read, and he said it's basically all the Marvel superheroes, or like a good chunk of the well-known ones, going back in time to 1602. How exciting is that? And it was the full collection. It was priced normally at $15 for this full collection, but because it was like half off, got the whole collection. So, and the cover art is beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for $7. That's a good deal. That's a good deal. I'm gonna put them with the rest of my graphic novels and comic books. And I also got this series I have never heard before, and this is normally, this set was supposed to be $25, but it was on sale today, the half price sticker. This, I don't know what this is, but I wanted it because I thought the cover art was really cool for all of them, and I'll show you. I only saw this one, and this was enough to tell me because I love quirky cover art. But this is Life During Wartime. This is so many comics. This is like the whole collection. So this is 1, 2. This one gives me Paradise Kiss. 2. This one's really pretty. I mean, this is 3, 4, 5, 6. This is like really, really cool. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. I'm really excited to read these, and because they're really short, I think I'm counting my comic books and manga towards my book that I've read of the year, because why not? I mean, they have words in their book technically, and I want to feel good. I want to know that I'm reading. I'm still reading Diary of the Oxygen Thief. I'm going to start the Bell Jar when I get done with the Diary of the Oxygen Thief, so don't worry about that. A review is coming up for that soon enough. I'm going to go to bed because I'm getting my hair braided in the morning, I did a whole routine. I did a mask, I did a clarifying shampoo and conditioner and deep conditioner. And I also, before I even did my hair, while it was still straight, I got my oil and my scalp massager and then really just massaged my scalp for like 30 minutes. My scalp felt really tingly and like really refreshing, so that was really nice. So I'm sipping on the Dr. Pepper strawberries and cream. This is the best flavor. And I was also munching on these Takis. When I tell y'all I was a hot Cheeto and Takis girl in high school and in middle school, I love hot things. I love hot food. For me, reading is like a way to escape like current reality and go into another world. Like, not as an escapism, well, sometimes yes, but as in like I want to see what other people's imaginations are. And I feel like that's really cool and a fun thing you can experience through someone's writing. Whether it's good or bad, you can see how they think. I think good or bad writing, not good or bad content. But I meant like good or bad writing. You can still see like where this person was going. But I will always make sure that I'm checking the book before I get it, just because I don't want to buy something or like download something like that's a book digitally or get one physically that I don't like. I'm really tired and I had a really fun day with my family. I finally got my hair braided. It's so pretty. It's braided for the summer, so when I go abroad, I don't have to worry about it. Oh my gosh, I love how it turned out. And I went a little browner this time. Oh, it looks so good. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey!
Yeah, it's time to taste it. Okay, get your fork. This one. Yes.
Oh wait, we have these. Hello, happy birthday. Oh, that's funny. Are you excited? Are you excited?
Plus,
Yeah,
arm
even though I'm not
ourselves
into dinosaurs.
from variety kids comics.
I'm very excited.
Kids should get to.
I'm gonna show you guys some things that I'm bringing on the trip that I've gotten in the last day or two because I need some new stuff, okay? So first, Hollister. I got this cute mini skirt. It's not so mini on me because I'm really short, but it's so cute. I got these baby doll tops I've been wanting for a minute, but in the navy print. We got these cute scrunchie duos for my braids. I love wearing pretty scrunchies, so that's nice. They look like those. Hair clips, and they look like the Emmy J ones. I was like, oh my god, this is like an accurate dupe. No, Emmy J ones are like $30. And I got these cute bows, little blue number set. I love a good blue, powder blue. Same kind of style, but this is floral. It's really cute. And I also got this navy striped shirt. So I'm thinking that if I pulled a whole monochrome, mono pattern moment, I mean, they're kind of the same. That could be a set. Yep. And then we went into Daiso, and I want to show you what I got from Daiso. Just some necessities, some folders, 2 almost like campus books, then some shower shoes because we'll be in a dormitory, and I did not want my feet getting the itchies. A fan because our dorms won't have any air conditioning, or like in classroom. Some tabs. Went to shop and say. So a microfiber towel for my face. Invisible pimple patches. I had pimple patches, but I needed some more. They went to Pink and they got me this cute little fanny pack that goes around the front. So this will be perfect. Duncan for the day. Me and Duncan are like this. Okay, so right now I have been packing my suitcase for Hungary for the last 8 hours. I wanted to go to bed tonight and it is 6 a.m. and I haven't slept yet. I just went ahead and got out of my pajamas. There's no way I'm gonna have this straight in my room before I leave too. And I want to be able to have everything ready and clean. And I also still have my retainers, so excuse me if I have a lisp. I wish I had more sleep, but I don't. So we're on the way to the airport. On the way to the airport, we just finished packing everything, and so now we're off. at the airport, the international airport now. So I'll see y'all when we get past security. We're going in London. Not how big the plane was when we were in it just a couple minutes ago. Is it?
It looks bigger, I don't know.
No, it don't. I did. Hello. Hi. We're finally in Hungary.
We're in Budapest, we're at the airport.
I'm so tired.
It's been a long journey, guys. We've been on the planes for 2 days.
Yeah.
We just want to get to the campus. Look at how puffy our eyes are.